Have you ever dreamed of becoming a teacher in New Zealand but don't know where to start because you're not a Kiwi? Worry no more. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple steps to become a teacher in New Zealand. First, get your qualifications assessed by NZQA through IQA. At the moment, it costs $746 to get your qualifications assessed by NZQA to become a teacher. And if you need support for this, I have a tutorial on that, which I'll link in the description below. Second, provide proof of English language proficiency. At the moment, the Teaching Council requires a score of 65 in PTE in all areas. That's reading, writing, speaking, and listening. If you need extra support on this, I've made a video on PTE as well as an alternative to IELTS. Check that out. I'll link that in the description below. Aside from PTE, these are other English language tests that you can take. Have a look through. You can provide CELTA, that's the Cambridge exam, IELTS, which requires you to get a score of 7 in the academic test in all areas, and of course an overall mark of 7 too. And all these other tests that I don't even recognize because I didn't take them myself. I took PTE and IELTS. But I recommend to take the PTE test. It's much easier and also don't have to worry about the human factor of it. Third, once you've got the aforementioned sorted, then register for the Teaching Council. I have made a tutorial on this as well, which I'll link in the description below for your guidance. Now, you've got all those ready, so you are registered as a teacher, and then you're looking for a job. So where do I find a job? How do I find a job? I have also made a tutorial on this, on how and where to find a job, a teaching job in New Zealand. So check out the link in the description below for all of those steps and where and how to find a job in New Zealand as well. If you've learned anything from any of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more valuable learning. See you next time and have a good day.